going on, you guys? Jacobrdoty here, back with another vlog, and today we're heading to Folsom Cars and Coffee again. We're already on our way because it's 7:40, so we're a little late. It starts at 7, but who gets there right on time? I mean, it's pretty early. I have my buddy Anthony with me, and we also just saw our buddies Quan and Ian. Quan has a Porsche, and then Ian has an M3, but they took off somehow. We missed them, or somehow they just flew past us in traffic. And then we'll just see what happens, see what kind of cars are there. It's again another kind of cloudy, foggy day, but we'll see if there's a pretty good turnout. I think the sun's starting to poke through, so that should be promising. And no traffic really right now. There was a little bit a little while ago, but you gotta love like a nice clear morning and just cruising on the road. Bathroom is at Starbucks, in case you guys are wondering. Here's a vlogger. It's my boy.
Ooh, have that switcher too. Oh, the dogs.
This is honestly a really big turnout for Cars and Coffee. I mean, like, oh, we got the Shelby coming back. But you can see it just spans all these roads, and it goes pretty deep. Got a Stingray. Oh, that's nice. That's what my grandpa would be going crazy about. And then it's got the weld. Let me get those welds.
Selling them.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, is he on like Craigslist or something? Yeah. Dang. I mean, that would fit my car, but they're 17s. I need 15s. Okay, we got the whole Mustang squad rolling in. CCWs, Whipple. Uh-oh. He's got a Whipple.
Oh, 85, he got that flexible bag.
Oh, I know this guy. I raced him. I got beat. He has a Cobra Jet. Dude, that thing's quick. Yeah, he's really quick. A Cobra Jet? I don't know if the Cobra Jet would work with your Paxton though, but that Shelby's super clean, that white with the R888s. My next wheel and tire setup, I don't want to go stretched. I want to have some meat, probably do some R888s because I think I just need to switch it up. A little crowd over here, I think it's because of all the GTs. We got another GT40. This one's got the carburetor top. Oof. Sway bar, beautiful black with the gray stripes. So meat. Oh yeah. Woo. So we got two of them today. Gold, I don't know if I'd get that spec, but still 4GT, and it's got the carbon edition, like it's got the carbon package. Oh, that's got the dry carbon. This one's got the gloss. Whew. Yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of the gold, but it's a 4GT. Dude, these are now lifted off the 2-year. So now these things are going for like $1 million, and they're like 400, 500,000 new. Dude, it's even got carbon fiber wheels. I thought I was all about carbon fiber. These dudes got wheels and carbon fiber. Go boost, the tips. Oh man, dude, this dude's got
motorcycle shit, bro. Like,
yeah, dude, this is nice. Like I said, I'd probably go for the white spec, but I'd want this carbon package on the white spec with the black tips, dry carbon all around, silver finished wheels, carbon ceramics. Woo. Oh, he's got his window down. We could kind of poke in there. Everyone's doing that square steering wheel now, like the C8 and everything. Just makes the cluster a little bit more visible, I think. That's why they're all doing it. It's telling RS because it has the fender scoop and usually a giant wing unless it's a touring. But it's also got the scoops on the side. It's a Wistek package. Got the carbon front. This is basically one of the same cars that my buddy Stuart got whenever we picked it up from the Porsche dealership. I have a video of that like way back, but he picked up his GT3 RS. Yeah, I also just got told that he picked up a GT2 RS. So he has not only a GT3 RS, which is this, but a 2 RS. So he has basically both RS cars. So yeah, he's doing all right. But they look so mean, they're so wide. 4-wheel steering and everything, dude. You wanna drive one? Dude, I just wanna ride in one.
Nah, I need to drive it.
Yeah, I'll drive it too. Saying this is basically the Doty spec 458. We got black on black with the yellow calipers. I'm pretty sure it's got the yellow stitch. Yeah, it's got the yellow stitching in there as well. Oof, here it is. Doty spec 458 is gonna be the supercar. Well, until we get to a 4GT, but I'd gladly take a 458, dude. And carbon fiber steering wheel and everything, diamond stitched seats. Yeah, I would take it. I wouldn't mind. Somebody just wanted to help me out and get to that point.
Carbon fiber too.
Oh, and got carbon fiber?
Oh, dude, that's
Dude, he
have
got it
limo
built.
tint.
He literally got it built for me, you know? Everything limo tinted except for, I guess that's why, dude. Because if you limo tinted everything except for that back glass, it'd look weird.
That's true.
Because you want to see the motor, you know? So I guess that's why you'd keep it fishbowled. One of the things about this show that really always gets me is you see so much diversity of all these cars. It really just makes me want to build every single type of car, like these rat rods, or building supercars, or just crazy old resto mods. So I mean, that's why I come to Cars and Coffee, because there's a huge diverse crowd. Like you have the supercar guys that are just completely stock. You have some modded ones, like literally right there, that's a modded Murcielago with deep dish wheels, crazy exhaust, and all that. So you get all kinds of people. You get like the guys that just have stock Corvettes, then you have modded resto mods and cammed and chopping. So that's why I come out to here. It's just really cool to see all the people. And I mean, look at that turnout again. Overjet shaker on the Mach 1. Uh-oh. Woo. See, I just want a little bit more meat in the back, but I know this is OEM. Like this is OEM. Oh, dude, he's got the original window sticker. Dude. Yes, original window sticker.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that is crazy. Yeah, this thing is sick. Like the removable louvers. Dude, removable louvers. That's crazy. I just wish I had a little bit more meat, but now that I saw the original window sticker and how pristine it is, it's all original probably. Dude, this car is ridiculous. Holy. Dude, that interior, Shelby steering wheel, white shift knob. I don't know if you guys can see it. Holy. Yeah, this thing's heavy duty. This thing's serious business. Z06 plate totally popped out to me. One, it's got some crazy fitment, crazy meat. But if you look at the, wow, it's got Corsas and the carbon. So this is crazy. Oh, Obsessed Garage shout out. But his license plate frame is, or his license plate is valve drop. Now on these LS7s, they kind of need heads and cams just because the valves, they'll drop valves pretty often. I guess it's a common problem on these. So he's making a joke of it. He's playing onto it. It has valve drop. It's basically like our LOL crowd or something on a Mustang, you know? It's just a meme of these. But dude, this one actually looks really good. And he has his interior open, so I'm gonna show you guys his carbon on there. But dude, a mean C6Z with Corsas, black wheels, red calipers. Probably do the yellow, but dude, look at this thing. Carbon steering wheel too. Yeah, this thing probably hauls, dude. Super clean, very well kept. Introducing a new segment. We're gonna have Ashley's top 3, so she's gonna start off right here. Babe, come on, let's go. Screen time.
Top 3 for sure.
Bag Vita bus. Let's talk about it.
I don't know what they're.
Nope, babe, you're gonna come on camera. We're gonna talk about it.
It's a cool color.
You like the color?
Looks nice.
What about the bags?
That's cool too.
Would you bag your bus?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. It's got like a truck bed. I think they chopped it. I don't know. I'm not too knowledgeable on these. But it's got a truck bed and a rack, so that's pretty tight. I don't know how much work you're getting out of it. It's got 80 horsepower.
It's pretty cool.
Probably haul with a diesel. But man, is it cool looking. I'll tell you that. So, all right, so this is one of the top 3.
Yes.
Thing's pretty ridiculous. I love it. It's a wide body pre-runner Ford Ranger. Dude, caged, full race setup. Oh, dude, this thing is crazy. I would so drive this. I want to go take this thing and jump it. Look at this. Look at the suspension on it. And the wheels. Holy. Dude, this thing is so sick. Babe, I want it. I want to take that to Prairie City right now. And to get the Mustang content, we got to come back, see the Shelby, Oxford White or Performance White, can't really tell. Oof. Oof, and the Recaros. I want your Recaros, dude. So badly. GT 500. It's got the Steeda exhaust. Wow, I've never actually heard Steeda exhaust. Any of you guys have Steeda? I'm trying to hear that. Did the 13, 14 tails, the best tails, of course. R888s. And we also have this meaty termy. Look at that, CCW4s, R888Rs. But here's the big deal. This is why he needs that. It's got the Whipple on it. So the Whipple on his 4.6 Alex SVT, where you at? You need to swap in, get this. But man, this thing is just so clean. Cars and Coffee is ridiculous. We got a Raptor on HRE wheels. Dude, come on. Today's like a kid in a candy store, I swear. Oh, I love these Raptors, dude. I want one so bad. on HREs, dude, that's baller. Forged wheels, forged one-piece wheels on a truck. God dang. Would you go for this, the 675? Would you go for the 2RS? Woo. Or M2? No, that's a joke. We're just going between these two. 2RS or the 675 LT? Which one? Which one?
I'd say GT2 RS.
I'd say this. But that too. I don't know. I don't know, dude. This one's tough.
That's a tough one.
When I see him rolling by, the McLaren stands out,
Yeah.
but the 2RS probably drives better.
I like the wing. I like the wing.
Yeah, but the the 675 goes up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a really tough one. This is a really tough one. We're just gonna have to buy both. We'll just buy both and we'll swap them every other week.
There you go.
Joint custody. Back with Ashley's favorite. We now have her second favorite. Come on, babe. Let's see. Let's go talk about it. Let's go talk about it. That's the new slogan. So we got a winch. We got square headlights. So quick jump. Sabir. I think this was Sabir's first car.
Really?
A red Jeep with the square headlights in high school. Maroon.
I actually thought
Corrected.
I love it.
So what do you think about
I
it?
mean, this is an older one.
Yeah, it's a
I love
square
all these,
headlights.
but I still like the way that this one looks.
So the square headlights are apparently what makes it less valuable, but it's still
really?
pretty cool. Bead locks, open countries.
Cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. They're just so simple, you know?
Yeah.
You can basically see
Well,
everything.
I don't know about simple, but look at all the stuff.
This is a good little summer vehicle.
Yeah, I like it.
So this is your second favorite.
It's my second favorite.
Okay, second favorite. Third favorite is, what is it, babe?
The white GT.
The white Ford GT. So she's also a big fan of this one. Let's scoot on by. So that's the dry carbon. Yeah, see how it's not gloss, it's like matte?
Yeah.
They call that dry carbon.
Huh. Is that like more expensive or more?
It's just a different finish. Instead of a clear coat, it's like a satin clear coat.
Huh.
So what else? The stripes?
The seat.
Oh, the seats? He has the window open on the other side.
That's good.
He's got the America on the side right there, you know.
Look at all the carbon on the middle.
Yeah.
I like the seat.
The taillights?
Yeah, those are cool.
Got the Ford GT taillights. It has a vent through the taillight.
And I like how this is like in the middle under here rather than down there. That's cool.
You like this?
Yeah, I like
Oh, the
exhaust.
like the brake lights built into the wing.
Oh, that's cool. I was talking about the exhaust though.
I know.
That's pretty
But the exhaust is cool too. I think it shoots flames. It just pops right out of there. Yeah. So got cool seats. What do you think about
Look at
square
the
steering wheel?
Steering wheel's tiny.
It's got a whole bunch of buttons on it and
I don't know how I
everything.
feel about square, but I mean,
Yeah.
this
It looks
thing
cool.
is probably so hard to get into. It's so low.
Oh yeah, it's hard to get into my car. Imagine this thing. So we're back here at the house and I'm using my iPhone now because I've never done this. I've never used my iPhone as a vlog. So this is actually kind of cool. Maybe I could use this and sneak in some extra shots when I don't have my full camera set up with a GoPro or whatever. But anyways, it kind of cut out right there. Ashley was taking a look at that Ford GT. I didn't film an outro because my memory card literally got full. So I need to buy a bigger memory card just so that way I could use my GoPro. My other one had some issues where it was glitching out and a couple of you guys noticed that. So I ditched that one. I just need to get a bigger one. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this Cars and Coffee and showcasing some of the cars there. I really had a good time. It was a huge turnout and I definitely wanted to throw like a little meet and greet there and just have a ton of people come out because I think that'd be awesome. Just overwhelm Cars and Coffee with Mustangs. But like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, did that outro a little aggressively.